Somebody looks suspicious apparently today. Got picked for the security. Ooh. It's less crowded at California Adventure. Think we can get the ears there? Wonder if they'll have Lady and the Tramp stuff there too.
I'm sure they have the same crap over here as they do over there.
Yeah, probably.
When it comes to that stuff, because that stuff should there. Right?
Yeah, pretty much. You get one side with that. It's potatoes. They changed out coleslaw for potatoes with your roasted beef sandwich. And then I got this. Oh, and it came with a pickle, but he gave me his pickle. And this is the beauty of flows. Looks like we should have waited till today. Second time, 24 hours. Stick, hard.
Alice in Wonderland. Tinkerbell. Up. Big Hero. Inside Out. Cars. Stitch. Everything.
But what? What are we looking for? Looking for Lady and the Tramp, 60th anniversary, something or other.
Star Wars.
Or whatever to commemorate the anniversary of its release. Amanda, you're killing me. But I love you. Anything over here? Or is it the same stuff that's over there?
Oh, this is different stuff.
Where's Lady and the Tramp when you need her?
I don't know.
They had a lady one, but nothing, it just was generic. Look, that's kind of cool. With the musical note for the handle. Little windbreaker. Maybe a cup? Look at those teacups! That's pretty cool. How much are they?
There's teacups, salt and pepper shakers.
I know, why don't we have those?
With a platter. Oh man. There's some more.
Look at the Cheshire Cat. Matthew. Matthew. Well, if you'd answered me the first time, we wouldn't have this problem. Those are more tea. Are those more teacups?
Oh, I guess the spoon does come off, but it's zip tied.
Yeah. What fun stuff is this? Look, there's Chip and Dale and Jiminy Cricket. Her favorite is Jiminy Cricket. Did you know that? Look at the hippos and the crocodile.
Look at her
We need one. Well, you know what we need to do is we need to fill our, from our, I really like this though, Matthew. Matthew. I really like this frame. I would. Because I'm your wife and I would. And it's wood. I think. Or it's plastic. I don't know.
Didn't get to meet Daisy. But now he just wanted to show.